cook noodles. Step 1 to macaroni and cheese. Make sure you salt the water in a grater. Spur the grater with cooking oil by ensuring it. I just like more work for myself, obviously. There's 16 ounces of American. I just grate them on top of each other. They look like two different colors, so I'm able to tell the difference. So yeah, so they don't stick. You mix the different cheeses, so when you just grab in here and you're layering, it'll be way easier to layer. Instead of you trying to make sure you have enough of both and make it like simple. Mix them right now. Remember, 8 ounces of mild cheddar and 16 ounces of American. Boom. You sit out for a few hours or let it sit out so it can soften up. So in here is already the cream cheese. So we'll mix the cream cheese and the noodles until they get coated. This is like 3/4 of a pack of or block of cream cheese. Alright, when you're done, the noodles should look like this. All fully coated. Wait, there's a hunk right there. Alright, all fully coated. Now get you a glass dish. I'm going to be using this one. You're going to want to put like 5 slices of butter at the bottom. And then I'm going to put 5 slices on the top. I'll show you that. I got the slices of butter in there. And the macaroni. I like to sprinkle a little bit of pepper in between the layers. Give it that bite. And then you'll put cheese. Normally I would cook more noodles, but since I'm the only one eating it, I'm not gonna bother. This is enough for me for the week. So, yep, cover in cheese, and then do 4 more slices of butter on top. And then put it in the oven. Just kidding. You have to do the sauce. Alright, so a tablespoon of no seasoning wear. Pepper. 1 egg. I would do 2 if I was making a bigger one, but I know I won't need that much. Milk. I use whole milk because nobody in my house lactose intolerant. Ocean. Stir it up. Don't pour in just one spot, pour it all over. Once it gets like right there at the noodle line, you don't need any more. That's more over here. But yeah, so I'm pretty much done. Ready to pop in the oven. It's gonna be like 45 minutes to 1 hour to get this done at 350 uncovered. So to check the mac and cheese, take a fork and pull it back. And if it doesn't refill like quickly with liquid, you're good.